What's up everyone, Sean here, Rogue Off-Road. We got our Toyota Tacoma here in the shop today, and we're gonna be putting on the new AWE exhaust, which is truly unique. Basically, it's a true dual exhaust. Doesn't have a Y pipe as most other systems do. So it gives you a true like 5-inch of overall exhaust diameter tubing running all the way from the cat back. So with their technology and their engineering, this is gonna provide a truly unique sound, different than anything else on the market. So let's get this bad boy on and see what everybody thinks. So we're gonna get ready to get on the freeway. Let's see how this bad boy sounds. We just gotta get, of course, the light to turn green, traffic out of the way. We've tried different brands, pretty much everything that's been out so far, and I run this on one of my other vehicles. I run the AWE exhaust on one of my other vehicles, and truly love the way it sounds. It's throaty and like definitely lets you know it's there, but it's not overbearing where a couple of the exhausts that we've tried on a long trip, it's going to drive you crazy. So we're taking a few mile run up the road here, you know, just kind of get the feel of it. Like I said, you can definitely tell your vehicle's not stock, and it's got an overall good sound to it. So we're gonna open her up a little bit, get on the throttle, get over. For some reason people want like V6 trucks and V6, yeah, pretty much V6 trucks to sound like, you know, a V8, and that's just not going to happen. You know, the way the engine's designed, how it delivers the exhaust flow through the headers, through the manifold, then on down the exhaust pipe, will not allow, you know, to try to get that sound. I've tried, you know, relentlessly to try to get that sound. We've tried our own different things on numerous different V6s over the years. You just can't get that sound. So it's kind of dealing with what you have and going with it and embracing the unique sound that a V6 has. This exhaust, AWE is known for doing Porsche, Audi, and a few other higher end brands. So it's not going to be the exhaust for everybody. It definitely comes with a price tag, which counters everything else out there. But if you want something that sounds truly unique, and if you know you're about your Tacoma and you want the best of the best, kind of like ours, this is the exhaust for you. I mean, we haven't skimped anywhere else on this whole build, so why should we skimp on the exhaust? Yeah, you hear it. Just got done playing around on the street, on the highway. Now we're in the dirt. Definitely has a whole different tone compared to everything else out on the market. One of the things that I do like about this exhaust is the true dual design. From the inlet of the exhaust, where it connects to the factory exhaust system, all the way to the tip is a true dual system, with the only exception of the H pipe, which gives it part of that unique sound that you're gonna notice. With that, you know, the true duals gives you that extra flow. So we did notice some power pickup. This is not your average everyday Tacoma, unfortunately. So this one's supercharged. Definitely changed the power band in it. We're gonna have to work on the tune a little bit to see like what else we can do with it. But love the sound. Sounds really good. No drone, has a nice tone to it. It gives the Toyota an exotic style sound. But if you're looking for the best for your Tacoma, kind of like we've done with our Tacoma here, there's been no expense spared in like anything we've done on this. This is the exhaust for you. Covered with a lifetime warranty. You can't go wrong. If you're looking to get one, hit us up. We got you. If you got any questions, hit us up or hit up the manufacturer, AWE. They'll be glad to help you guys out.